Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. So today video is all about the amazing gardens arch designs. Amazing gardens arch designs. Keep stunning, keep more fabulous designs, fabulous videos. You look so amazing designs, amazing ideas, and different patterns, different gorgeous videos, and it's totally designs, totally ideas, totally videos. It's most amazing videos, and it's so more much amazing ideas, amazing videos we are uploaded, different patterns, different styles, and it's amazing videos we are uploaded for keep more amazing ideas. And I hope you can understand for totally designs, totally ideas, totally videos, amazing designs, and I will stunning videos we are uploaded for you. And feedback this comment for amazing arch designs, for entry doors, for birthday decorations, for different parts of decorations designs, for totally ideas, totally videos. It's your choice, and I hope you can understand for it's my more stage designs and amazing videos, amazing ideas. Stay connected with me and keep watching us my channel. Different patterns, ideas, different amazing videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for getting more attractive, more stunning and amazing ideas, amazing videos, amazing fantastic ideas. And so I will keep amazing videos, amazing ideas. This is so fantastic designs. So I will keep sharing in the same way. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.